The DJI Matrice 4D series drone for DJI Dock 3 is DJI Enterprise's first compact drone with IP55 dust and water protection rating for manually piloted missions. It can be purchased separately and paired with the DJI RC Plus 2 Enterprise remote controller without a dock. This generation features significant hardware upgrades, including larger 12.9-inch low-noise propellers with an anti-icing layer. These enhancements enable stable flight in freezing rain conditions and provide reassurance in noise-sensitive scenarios such as wildlife protection. Compared to the previous generation, the DJI Matrice 4D series features a medium telecamera and a laser rangefinder. The enhanced telephoto capability provides clear visibility of road signs even at a distance of 250 meters. The laser rangefinder also enables real-time precise positioning and measurement. The DJI Matrice 4D series introduces a night scene mode, ensuring clarity for both day and night operations. The DJI Matrice 4TD is also equipped with NIR auxiliary light with a maximum illumination distance of up to 100 meters. And to enhance safety during night operations, the omnidirectional lenses have been upgraded to front and rear low-light fisheye lenses. The drone is equipped with a built-in millimeter wave radar at the bottom, with the possibility to further enhance reliability using the obstacle sensing module. The image transmission system has been upgraded from 4 antennas to 8 antennas, delivering significantly stronger transmission performance. The Matrice 4D series becomes the first DJI Enterprise drones to support airborne relay, meaning one drone can fly high as a relay, allowing the other drones to operate at a greater distance. The relay drone will automatically face the operating drone, ensuring smooth video transmission even in areas without 4G signal or with obstructions. This capability significantly extends the transmission range. The battery features a new side cooling duct design, which works seamlessly with the DJI Dock 3's air conditioning system, greatly enhancing heat dissipation efficiency. The flight time has also been significantly improved. When fully charged, Matrice 4D 4TD can fly forward for 54 minutes, hover for 47 minutes, and operate for 18 minutes within a 10-kilometer radius. Additionally, 4 additional screw holes have been added to the tail, supporting other payloads like a parachute. Is there anything else you'd like to know about DJI Dock 3 and the DJI Matrice 4D series? Please click the link in the description below to contact us.